Yes, I'm bored with triangular prisms too, and yet people keep missing them. Wait, I'm so bored, in fact, I think this would be a little bit better. Alright, well, I think that'll help a little bit before I do this video. Get me, a little more engaged in these triangular prisms. Alright, people, this was question number 1 on the test. 1A was surface area, and it was multiple choice. So, surface area. How many surfaces do we have on this triangular prism? We've got the front and the back. Those are actually the two bases. So, bases, I'll write that. Then we've got the two slanty sides. I know that's not proper math term, but I don't care. Slanty sides. And then we have the bottom. No, the bottom is not the base, because we have said that prisms have two identical parallel bases. And if you think the bottom's the base, number 1, you're wrong. Number 2, there's nothing that's parallel and identical to it. So let's find the bases. First of all, this is triangle. So the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So 12 times 8, that's 96, divided by 2 is 48. So the bases are 48 and 48. So now we've taken care of the front and the back, which are actually the bases. Now let's look at the slanty sides. The slanty side, so it's kind of like a tent. Slanty side, you've got parallelograms that are 12 by 10. That's 120. So you have 120 and another one that's 120. 120 plus 120. Now we have the bottom, which is 12 by 12. That's 144. So if we add all that up, we've got 48 and 48, which makes 96, plus 120 and 120, which is 240, plus the bottom of 144. So we get a correct answer of surface area, 480 feet squared. Now, change color, because it's less boring. We'll do green. Now we want the volume. Volume. Well, the volume of a prism is area of the base times the height. Well, if we got this, the base, it's not 12 by 12. That's not the bottom. So that's probably why some of you missed the volume. The base is actually on the front or the back. And we already found the area of the base. That's 12 by 8 divided by 2. So that's 48. So big B, area of the base, is 48 square feet times the height. Well, remember what I said. The height always comes off of the base. It's attached to the base. It comes off of it. It's perpendicular. So if we have a base right there, this has to come off of it. So it's 48 times 12. Area of the base times the height. So 48 times 12. And we're going to get an answer of 576 feet cubed. Cubed. Final answer. I hope this makes your test correction experience less boring.